Hey y'all, it's Olivia. If you're new here, I make mostly fashion videos and I would love for you to go ahead and subscribe. So today I'm going to be sharing 100 gift ideas for him. A good amount of these gift ideas will be linked in a blog post below for you guys to shop. It's more of the first half than the second half, and in the blog post I divide up all the gift ideas into different categories, like for the college guy, the outdoorsy guy, the city guy, a cozy gift guide for him, gift guide for every guy. There's like a ton of different ones, and I also link my blog post from last year where I shared all the gifts that I've gotten my boyfriend in the past, as well as my gift ideas for 2017, which I still stand behind. And in that blog post I also have linked the YouTube video where I go through 10 different DIY gift ideas for him, probably something more like for a boyfriend. But let's go ahead and get started. Number one is a Patagonia pullover. I like the better sweater ones the best, but there are other kinds as well. Number two is a Patagonia t-shirt, or really any kind of t-shirt that you think that they would like. Number three is a Vineyard Vines Shep shirt. I think that the navy one is a good one to go with. They come in tons of different colors and styles, but especially if you do not know exactly which one they would like, or if they would even really like it, I think a navy one is like a good one to go for. Number four is a Patagonia vest. Once again, I like the better sweater kind, but they also come in a puffer vest. Number five is a collegiate Shep shirt. So there are certain sports websites, and I've linked them on the blog, that sell Shep shirts with the customized college logo on the front. So there's like a gray one with NC State on the front that I think is really cool. Number six is a college pullover in general. So you can get these everywhere, and if they went to this school, if they're going to this school, if they think they might go to this school, or if they just like to cheer for this school, I think that they would love something like this. Number seven are UGG slippers. Someone has actually bought these through the links on the blog, and I think that these will be great for guys if they will appreciate them. I know some guys probably wouldn't wear slippers, but there are some that will. Number eight is a NC hat, or just a hat, but I really like this one from Southern Tide that has their fish logo with the NC State flag in it. Number nine is a college polo. So this one specifically is really popular here at NC State. Like, all the guys wear it to game day. Like, if you see a guy on game day, he's probably wearing this shirt. So if they go here, this is a great shirt for them. I don't know if it's like this at other schools, but this polo is really popular here. Number 10 is a football t-shirt from Vineyard Vines. So Vineyard Vines has this whole section on their website where they sell football items specifically customized for the team that you like. So they have number 10, that's t-shirts, number 11 Shep shirts, 12 ties, 13 belts, and then 14 they also have polo shirts. Number 15 is a Fossil watch, number 16 is a Fossil smartwatch, and number 17 is an Apple Watch. I think that any of these items are a great option, and I love the Fossil brand, especially for gifts for boys. Number 18 is a Yeti cup to keep any drink cool or hot throughout the day, and then number 19 is a Yeti cooler, so either the bag kind or the big kind. So this is probably for a more serious boyfriend or your father or like a relative or a husband. Number 20 are PJ pants. I've seen tons of different PJ pants and like Christmas pajama pants for boys, and I just love Christmas pajamas, and I think they're so cute for guys also. Number 21 is a Patagonia hat. So again, just any kind of hat, but this Patagonia one is really popular among guys. Number 22 is also very specific. It's this pullover from Southern Tide. It's like NC State, so it can be a college of your choice. I'm pretty sure it's t-shirt material, but it's a pullover with a hoodie. Number 23 is a Carhartt vest. Number 24 is a long charger. Number 25 are AirPods. If you think that they won't lose them, I would worry personally that a boy would lose them. Number 26 is a Mophie charger. So it's a phone case that has a battery pack attached to it, so you can just like flip a switch and charge it. Number 27 are Beats. I have Beats and I love them, and then also my step cousin and dad wear headphones all the time, so I think that this is a really good gift for guys. Number 28 and number 29 are Calvin Klein underwear and Calvin Klein lounge pants. I think that these are really good options of things that you know that they will definitely use. Number 30 is similar. It's gray joggers. I read all the time on Twitter that girls love these on guys, so I figured I would throw that in. Number 31 are sunglasses. Number 32 is a Henley tee, so I like these from Abercrombie. Number 33 is a North Face backpack. Number 34 are LL Bean boots. I know some guys wouldn't like these, but I really like them, so I thought I would include them. Number 35 is a flannel jacket like these from LL Bean, and then number 36 is a flannel button down, or just a plaid button down, or really any kind of button down. Number 37 are men's Uggs, like actual shoes. I like these ones for guys specifically. Number 38 are Huck slip-on shoes, or like the Crocs slip-on shoes, or any type of shoe this kind of style. Number 39 is a wallet, so I like this one from Fossil, and someone actually bought this one off the link in the blog post, so people do like this one. And then I also like these two from Fry. I like the gray one, I feel like it's unique. Number 40 is a belt. I like this reversible one. I think it's also from Fossil. Number 41 is a Fair Isle sweater. I think that these would be so fun to take like couples photos in. Number 42 is a Nike dry fit tee. I see a lot of guys wear these. Number 43 are Nike shoes. Number 44 is JBL speaker. Number 5 is an UGG robe. I feel like this would be good for lounging around as well, and I know some guys really like robes. I feel like some guys wouldn't like it, but some guys would. Number 46 is a Sherpa lined jacket, so these come in like different color corduroy as well as denim. Number 47 is a hydro flask or a swell. Number 48 is college PJ pants, so similar to what I was saying before, just personalized to your college. Number 49 is a fragrance gift set, so they actually make these sets at Sephora where you get like 10 different sample sized colognes, and then you also get a coupon where you can select one full size of whichever one ended up being your favorite. I know girls really like this, so I think that guys would like this too. So now we're gonna get into some like more personalized items, probably for like your boyfriend or your husband, off of Etsy. So number 50 is a personalized keychain. Number 51 is a personalized like night we met photo of the stars. Number 52 is a personalized wallet. Number 53 is a personalized watch. Number 54 is a photo memory book. Number 55 is actually girlfriend's face on underwear. I feel like that's really funny. So number 56 is a Carhartt beanie. Number 57 is tickets to their favorite concert or their favorite sporting event, or really anywhere. Number 58 is gift cards. So this could be gift cards to their favorite fast food restaurant, favorite store, gas station, even just like a grocery store, really anywhere that you think that they would use. Number 59 is an Eno. Number 60 is video games. Number 61 is a phone case. Number 62 are cufflinks or personalized cufflinks. Number 63 is stuff for their hobby. So like for example, my hobby would be considered like blogging, so I might like things like ring lights or tripods or cameras, you know, things like that. If they're into like photography, then like cameras. If they're into golf, then maybe golfing stuff, just whatever their hobby is. Number 64 is a North Face jacket, sort of like the weather and rainproof ones. Number 65 is a Patagonia puffer jacket. Number 66 is a Fitbit. Number 67 is a portable charger, so like a charging block. Number 68 is a charging home station, so you like can stack what you're charging and organize it in a nice way. Number 69 are socks. I know some guys like funny socks or just like normal socks. Number 70 is beard stuff if the guy you're shopping for has a beard. Number 71 is like good conditioner or soap or any type of stuff like that. Number 72 are texting gloves. Number 73 is a book, so if you know what kind of books they like or if they like books. Number 74 are tools. Number 75 is a manly scarf like Chuck Bass. Number 76 is the game Cards Against Humanity or any kind of card game that you think they would like. Number 77 is a shaving kit or a shaving subscription. Number 78 is luggage. This is a good gift for anybody because I think it comes in handy and no one really wants to buy luggage for themselves. Number 79 is an Alexa. Number 80 is a duffel bag for the gym. Number 81 is a briefcase. Number 82 is candy. Number 83 is a in-shower speaker. Number 84 is a soft blanket, because even though they don't like to admit it, guys do like blankets most of the time. Number 85 is a tie or bow tie if this is something that they have to wear frequently. Number 86 is an iPad. Number 87 comes back to where we said Apple Watch. Maybe if they already have one, you could get them a new Apple Watch band. Number 88 is more likely if you guys are like living together or you know there's something specific that he wants, maybe like outdoor furniture or a grill, or I saw where someone put that they got them a mini fridge to go in their bar area of their house, maybe something along those lines. Number 89 is a MacBook, and number 90 is a laptop case. Number 91 is a Keurig or any type of coffee machine depending on the kind of coffee that they like. Number 92 is a passport holder. I feel like this could come in use even for like college students if they end up studying abroad. Number 93 is a photo of you guys in a frame, and number 94 is the wallet sticks that stick on the back of a phone case, or like a phone case with the wallet thing attached to the back. Number 95 95 is a pocket knife. Number 96 is something that they might need if they are living in an apartment, like drinking glasses or maybe coasters, or maybe if you know that there's like a lamp or a rug that they need, just like something for their home or apartment if they live in college and you know that they might be needing one of these items. Number 97 is a jersey. Number 98 is an ornament. Number 99 is a TV. Again, you guys are probably living together or you know that they need a TV wherever they are living. And then 100 would be to fill up a stocking. I actually did this one year, so just take a bunch of the smaller things that I listed and put it all in a stocking and make that their present. So that is all I have to share with you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to check out the blog post link down below. It has everything divided up into collages with links for you guys to shop for most of these items, and it also has links to other gift guides that you guys might find handy. Bye guys!